Welcome to ProKitchen video tutorials. In today's tutorial, we're going to take a look at how quick and easy it can be to design a kitchen using ProKitchen software. We're going to set up and design roughly a 10 by 12 kitchen in about 10 minutes. So to get started with that, we're going to come up and click on New Design. We're not going to save our current design because, well, there's nothing there to save. And I'm going to click on my little folder there, create a new design. We're just going to name this ProKitchen in 10 and save. And now while I'm in here, I could come through and set up my customer information and all that, but I'm going to skip right over to moldings, set my moldings so those are ready for us when it comes time to set them with our molding button. And we'll just use that crown and we'll grab the standard toe kick. And then we're going to hop into 3D here and we're going to change our 3D selection as well. And we've chosen granite, so we'll just slide down through here and pick one out, and we'll take that one and OK. And I'm going to leave my wall covering and my flooring and everything the same, set to default, so we're just going to click OK there. And we'll overwrite that. And now we're ready to go. So we're going to start building our walls. And I need a wall running this way, 148 inches, and one running this way, 124 inches. And that will give me my 10 foot by 12 foot footprint. And so to get started, I always like to start with my base cabinets and my base corner cabinets. And we'll grab a base Lazy Susan, drop it up here in the corner. And we can open base cabinets and start dropping these in now. Put a lefty over here and a 15 on this side. I'm going to put another 12 out here, and I'm just going to drag him along and leave him out there. I'm going to come and grab a base 33 for over along this wall. And then I need a sink base. Grab one real quick out of here and drop him in there. And that's my base cabinets, quick and easy. Now we can set some wall cabinets. Close my base cabinet tab so it's not so big and annoying. And my corner wall cabinets, diagonal corner wall, standard diagonal corner wall. And we better put a lefty in to match the lefty down below. And some wall cabinets real quick. 24 on that side, 27 on this side. I will need a 36 out here, and I will need a 33 over this one. And then we can go to some shorter cabinets. We'll grab a 14-inch high, 30-14 for over this the stove, and we'll jump that up to an 18-inch tall for over the refrigerator. We'll do a 33 there. Get this guy centered up in position now. And now we're ready for some appliances. So my cooking appliances, well, we don't want a cooktop, we want a range. Grab an electric range, dual fuel, stainless steel, that one ought to work for us. And place, and cancel, and go back and grab a refrigerator. We'll do a top freezer, left hinge, stainless steel, and drop him right in place. And now we need a dishwasher. And again, we'll just grab a stainless one and drop him in place. And we're good with our appliances now. So now I can come in, I can drag my base 12 over here. And I want to edit my refrigerator just a little bit so it fills the space. I'm going to right click on it. I'm going to go to attributes. I'm going to make it 30 wide. And I'm going to make it just a little bit taller. And OK. And there we have that guy. And zoom to fit to get me back into space here. And now we're ready for windows. So come up here and click on our window icon. And I will grab a regular casement window here. And we'll grab a 36-inch tall casement window in brown. And I'll hit place. And drop him right out in there. And cancel. Now I want to center him up over my sink. And I can do this because I don't have measurements, rough opening measurements for anything. So now we've got all of our cabinets in, we've got our appliances in, we need a couple plumbing fixtures, so we'll click on our plumbing icon, kitchen fixtures, sinks, 2 basin, self-rimming, place. I'm just going to drop it in over here. And we'll go to the faucet and grab a kitchen faucet and place him as well. There we have it. Cancel. Again, we'll go to center them up. You just click on the cabinet to get that center to work. And center. And there's our sink and our faucets. So now we can add our countertop and our moldings and our trims. So one click for countertop. Now you can go ahead and use your countertop designer as well if you would like, but it's a little bit slower. Add our backsplash. And remember, we preset our moldings, so we'll click and set our moldings, and now we're all set up. So from here, we are ready to set some global options and take a look and see what we've got. So we'll go up to our global options. We will do standard. Let's do a arch cherry in a wheat color, no hardware. And we can close this, and let's check out and see what we've done by doing an elevation. This all looks good as we come across here. Looks like I need a microwave hood in here, so let's go grab a micro hood and drop it in. Going to go to appliances. The microwave hoods are hidden under cooking and microwaves and over the range. And we'll grab the nice stainless one. And instead of placing it on my layout, I'm going to drop this guy into my elevation. And so there it is. I double click on it. Now you see I've got the little green handle there. I'm going to click on it once, slide it up, and click one more time, and there it sets. And I am done with that. So let's take an elevation of our other wall. Click on it. Click on elevation. Here's my other wall. Everything looks good there. I don't see any adjustments I need to make. So I'm going to close elevation. Click on 3D. And so everything's looking good. Now if you decide, hey, I don't want that color, we can actually change that up here. You can click on that. You can come in and do our finish color. Let's say we want to do saddle, or really want saddle, not rogue. There we go. Okay, and then we've changed it. And let's pop off a quick high def of it, show you what it looks like in high def. I want to zoom in just a little bit more, and HD. There's my high def rendering of it, and or my high def preview, and now let's render it out. And here's our nice 3D rendering of it. You can see the reflection in the glossy finishes on the appliances. You can actually come over here and set your countertop to be glossy, so you get reflections on that too. But the floor and the appliances have nice reflections. Gives very nice realistic view. And so we'll close that. When we're done with that, we'll close back out, back to our design. And so here's our design. We're right at the 10-minute mark, and we have created a very nice, very functional, very usable kitchen in right at 10 minutes using ProKitchen design software. Thank you for watching this tutorial.